welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessi Illustrates and today we're going to do another draw along. We are going to create an Aztec design today and you need your paper, you need your pencil. Let's get drawing. So the design today has got lots of different elements, but we're going to start off with something really simple. You can see I've penciled out where I'm going to go and then I'm going to talk you through each bit. So to start off with though, I've got some sellotape and I'm going to draw all the way around my sellotape. Like so. And you can see the edge there and it's looking quite rustic, which I quite like already. I'm actually then going to do the inside. Now if you've got a thin sellotape, don't worry, you can just do it as thin as your sellotape is. Like that. I've got my inner part of my my Aztec face. So the next part we're going to do is we're going to do some eyes right in the centre. So a little circle and another little circle, and then we're going to do the bigger eye, so a really big shape this time. Nice big circle. And another circle here. If you've got some 2p pieces, they're a really good size to draw around if you want a bit of help. And the next part, we're going to do these funny shapes that look a bit like sausages, I think. So let's do the top one first. So up and over like a bridge, back over the other side and join them together. They look like a sausage. And same on the other side. Like that, and then same on this side as well. Like that. And underneath, so another sausage, so we've got 4 sausages there, quite rounded shapes, like that. Okay, now in the middle we've got the nose of our character here, and it comes down like a U shape, back up again, so like a wobbly line really, but this middle bit is a little bit lower than the 2 side bits. Join it back up to the eye, and then above the eye, a bit like an eyebrow, we start from the middle and we're going to go over and round, so it's like we've got an eyebrow there. Same on the other side, like that. Make that a bit thicker. Okay, next what we're going to do is this mouth area here. So if you take a nice line from a bit underneath the eyeball there, so where that centre pupil is, start to draw a line across till you get to the nostrils. I'm going to do a dip down like a V shape, and a straight line across to roughly where the other eyeball is, the pupil. I'm going to do a little slant down and a little slant down and a really big slant down on both sides, and then a straight line all the way across. And we're going to do the same again, but on the inside. So a line across, a little bit shorter than the top one, line down, line across, line down, and all the way across. Now doing over the top again. That's our mouth complete. Now I'm going to do a little bit like a curly cut shape here, and then one the opposite way to join the eyes to the mouth. You'll find in a lot of the Aztec design they like to join and connect all the different parts. Okay, we're going to go back up to the top now. We're going to draw a line all the way from one side to the other. We're going to do a circle here. in the centre. I'm going to do 2 smaller circles on that side and one on this side. This is a bit like a headdress. And then we're going to do a line across and down. This is sort of a bit of decoration. Same here. You could do different decoration if you like. Okay, that's the top bit done. Now we're going to do a bit like maybe hair and then earrings, because there's a lot of jewellery worn by the Aztecs. So we're going to do 3 lines down with a very slight curve. 1, 2, 3. And you'll notice we're going level roughly with the nose there, just under the eyes. The same on the other side. 1, 2, and a 3. That's great, well done. Next we're going to do the earrings. We've got 2 circles, a big circle here and a smaller circle inside, and then the same again on the other side. A big circle and then a smaller circle like that. And then finally we've got this chin area. It's quite a decorative chin. It's a little bit like 2 waves going each way. So we're going to start off with 1 wave going in a curly motion, and then we're going to wrap it around the opposite way like that. Starting at the bottom again, we're going to do this curl and then do another layer like that. Excellent. Now the edge part of the mask has got lots of decoration, and I've just done lots of curls, but you could do anything. You could do lots of circles or triangles or other shapes. So you can see here I've filled in the outside edge and also some sections such as the eyes, the mouth, and a few bits of detail. Now we're going to colour in. Let's go.
How did you get on today? Was it tricky? There's lots of different designs and twists and twirls to make it look really decorative. Remember, you can pop over to my Facebook page and post your design. I'd love to see it. And also subscribe below and you can check out all my other videos and the future ones to come. Bye for now.